So this game is called Game of Sets. It's on Ramayana and Mahabharata theme. So you get these two decks. So basically in these two decks, you get characters from the series. Every character comes in 4 different colors. And with each character, we've given some fun fact about that. Okay. Now to start the game, you're going to first mix the 2 decks. Then you're going to divide 13 cards to each player. So in your turn, this is how you'll hold your cards. Every character has a team number written here. Some of them belong to 2 to 3 teams also. They are called floating members, while some belong to a single team. Okay. Now the aim of the game is to make one pure set of 4 cards in it and 3 valid sets with 3 cards each in it. Now in your turn, you will either pick a card from this deck below, or the card that has been opened in the center. You can take that if that is of any use. Now we'll tell you how to make your sets. And most important thing about making these sets is that every member here has to be from the same team. Okay, so this is to ensure that Ravan cannot be a part of Ram's team. So you are going to make logical family sets. Okay, now these are the example of valid sets. Okay, so you can have the same color but different character. Everyone's going to be from the same team. That is a given. Now this is the example of same color, different character. This is the example of different color and different character. This is also allowed. And the third is same character but in different colors. Now one more thing you will notice is, let's say this Vibhishan here can belong to T1 also and T2 also. In this case, I have assumed that this belongs to T2, okay? So it is allowed. So if a member can belong to one or more than one teams, then you can assume it to be a part of either T1 or T2 or T3, whatever it says. These blessing cards, which can only be used in the valid sets, not in the pure sets. Blessing, basically you have to, let's say if this is of Mahabharata, then it can only replace one of these Mahabharata characters, okay? So let's say if you did not have this, you could have instead placed a blessing card and your set would be called complete. Explaining you the pure set, okay? In pure set, all the characters have to be from the same team firstly, and they have to be of same color. Now refer to this rule card here. You will get a table of which all member belongs to the core team and which are the extra ones allowed. In a pure set, all 3 core 3 members have to be present, and the extra members may say you can take any one. So let's say if we are making a T6 ka set, Dhritarashtra, Bhishma and Drona are compulsory. So we have Ashwathama, Krishna, both of them are the extra ones. We can take any one from this. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the example of a pure set. So the person to make one pure set and 3 valid sets first becomes the winner.